Welcome to our Old Charles. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of United States coins and focusing on the 5-cent coin from the year 2016. This coin is part of the Jefferson Nickel series, which has been in circulation since 1938 and has gone through various design changes over the decades. The 2016 5-cent coin features the iconic portrait of Thomas Jefferson on the obverse side, facing left, with his distinguished features capturing the essence of one of the founding fathers of the United States. Jefferson's image has remained a staple on the nickel for decades, but small refinements have been made over the years to improve detail and quality. The reverse side of the coin features Monticello, Jefferson's historic home in Virginia, designed by Jefferson himself. The Monticello design has become synonymous with the nickel and provides a glimpse into the architectural genius and personal taste of Thomas Jefferson. The 2016 nickel is made primarily of a copper-nickel alloy, which gives it a silver-like appearance and a weight of 5 grams, making it durable enough for everyday use while maintaining its collectible appeal. The condition of the coin plays a significant role in determining its value. Coins that have circulated and show signs of wear typically hold their face value of 5 cents. However, uncirculated coins or those with a mint state designation can attract collectors and fetch higher prices depending on demand and rarity. The 2016 Jefferson nickel was minted in 3 locations: the Philadelphia Mint, the Denver Mint, and a limited number at the San Francisco Mint for special collector sets. Each mint mark is an important detail for collectors and can slightly influence the coin's value, as collectors often seek coins from specific mints to complete their collections. The value of a 2016 5-cent coin in circulated condition is generally the same as its face value, but in uncirculated condition it can range from 10 cents to a few dollars, especially if it has a perfect strike and no blemishes. Coins that are part of special proof sets or have errors such as double dies or off-center strikes can be significantly more valuable, sometimes reaching tens or even hundreds of dollars depending on the rarity and demand among collectors. For those new to coin collecting, it is important to understand grading, which ranges from poor to perfect mint state. The Sheldon scale is often used by professional graders to assign a number to the coin indicating its condition. The higher the grade, the closer the coin is to its original minted state, and the more it may be worth. Professional grading can add credibility and potentially increase the value for serious collectors. As with all coins, the 2016 Jefferson nickel has its own story and place in history. The coin not only serves as legal tender, but also as a piece of Americana representing one of the nation's most influential figures. The Jefferson nickel is often overlooked in everyday transactions, but to collectors every detail from the sharpness of Jefferson's profile to the clarity of the Monticello building is important. Collectors often store their coins in albums or protective holders to prevent wear and preserve their value over time. Coins like the 2016 nickel can gain historical significance as older coins become rarer and demand from collectors increases. The 2016 Jefferson nickel may not be as rare as coins from the early 20th century, but it still has collectible potential, especially for those looking to complete a modern series or focus on coins from the 21st century. For anyone interested in starting a coin collection, the 5-cent coin offers an accessible entry point. The 2016 nickel is widely available and affordable, making it easy to acquire multiple examples and learn about grading and coin preservation techniques. In conclusion, the 2016 United States 5-cent coin is more than just small change. It is a collectible piece of history with a design that honors Thomas Jefferson and his legacy. Its value depends on condition, rarity, and demand, but it remains an important part of the Jefferson nickel series and a coin worth examining for both new and experienced collectors. We are exploring the rich history and value of the United States 5-cent coin, focusing on the 2016 Jefferson nickel. The story of the 5-cent coin begins long before 2016 and traces back to the first official 5-cent pieces produced by the United States in the late 18th century. The original half-dime was a small silver coin first minted in 1792 and was valued at 5 cents. These coins were tiny and often easily lost, but they served an important purpose in the early economy of the young nation. Over the decades, the 5-cent coin evolved in design and composition. In 1866, the nickel 5-cent piece was introduced, replacing the silver half-dime. This new nickel coin was larger and made primarily of copper and nickel, which gave it durability and a silver-like appearance. The design featured Liberty on the obverse and a simple Roman numeral 5 on the reverse. The 5-cent nickel quickly became popular and has remained a staple in American coinage ever since. In 1938, the Jefferson nickel was introduced to replace the Buffalo Nickel. The obverse features a portrait of Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States and the principal author of the Declaration of Independence. This portrait was designed by Felix Schlag and was chosen after a nationwide competition to find a fitting design for the new coin. The reverse features Monticello, Jefferson's iconic home in Virginia. The Monticello design has been slightly modified over the years but remains a symbol of Jefferson's architectural talent and personal history. The Jefferson Nickel series has seen several design changes, including the Westward Journey series in 2004 and 2005, which commemorated the Lewis and Clark expedition and other important moments in American history. The 2016 Jefferson Nickel returned to the traditional Monticello design and is part of the modern series that collectors and numismatists pay attention to. The 2016 coin was minted at the Philadelphia and Denver mints with a limited number in the San Francisco proof sets. Each mint mark adds interest for collectors and can affect the value of the coin depending on rarity and demand. Throughout its history, the 5-cent coin has reflected the cultural and historical values of the United States, from honoring Thomas Jefferson to commemorating the exploration of the West. These coins tell a story about the nation and its development. Collectors often look at the 2016 Jefferson Nickel not just for its monetary value but also as a continuation of a long tradition that started with the first half dimes and carried through more than 2 centuries of coinage. The value of the 2016 nickel depends on condition and rarity. Circulated coins are usually worth face value, but uncirculated coins, proof coins and error coins, can be worth more. Serious collectors often seek coins with no or sharp details and clear mint marks. Professional grading can further increase the value and credibility of the coin. Understanding the historical context adds to the appeal and helps collectors appreciate why even a modern coin like the 2016 Jefferson Nickel is part of a long and meaningful legacy. In conclusion, the history of the 5-cent coin is a story of innovation, adaptation and commemoration. The 2016 Jefferson Nickel represents the enduring legacy of Thomas Jefferson, the artistry of American coin design and the fascination